Marina Otero highlights that, in the actual context, current generations have the duty to design alternative futures and forms of existence that are not based on extractive technologies and economies. Let's hear what Merve Bedir's comment about it.
If we take the meanings of the words technologies and economies in the wider way, not in the immediate sense, but in the wider sense, as the way we do things, our techniques, our methods, our institutions, our bureaucracies, and as well as the way we organize our livelihoods, it is indeed the extractive technologies and economies that hold the basis of the issue. So not to blame, let's say, the immediate meaning of technology as such, but the way we do things in a larger scale is the question. I'd like to think of how we will design alternative futures instead of what those alternative futures will look like. So instead of trying to design the future itself or imagining the future itself, I'd like to think of how we are going to do it. How are we going to imagine? Existence becomes rather occurrence when we focus on designing the process rather than designing the future. So then my question is about how we are going to design the characteristics of the space where the future will be designed. How and what will be represented in that space? What kind of relationships be among things and people and agencies be in that space?